a nice, cuddly cloth. I should get this for my babies. If I get away to get this out. It's disgusting. If I had just had a way to get this out, maybe I'll get it from down. No, I'll get it from up. Which way should I get it? I'll just pull it from this way. Maybe I'll roll it. No, that doesn't work. Come on. Disgusting. I'll get away like this. I'll get it like this. Oh! What was that? Dangerous. Oh no. People are coming. Someone's coming. Oh no. Is it safe? Yes, I think it's safe. Yes, I should go back. Okay. Now, start pulling. Can I rip this? Pull. Rip. Oh. Maybe I'll rip this off. No. Can I get a piece? At least a piece? No. How hard is this? I give up. I'll find something in nature.